Imagine if you could make your SWOT presentation not just informative but visually unforgettable. What if I told you there is a simple design trick to do just that? Stay tuned. Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the world of frosted glass effect, a design trend that's taking the business world by storm. Let's jump into the tutorial. First, right click, go to Format Background and select a background color. Next, add a text box, type S and style it with a bold font like Impact. Increase the font size, center it, and duplicate the text box for W, O and T. Now, let's add some flair. I have created an image of these text boxes with a gradient color. Insert it. Duplicate the image and go to Format Picture. Click on Artistic Effect. Select Blur Effect and increase the size. This creates that frosted glass look. Right click, cut the image and select Picture or Texture Fill. Insert the image from your clipboard. Next, add a shape. Adjust the outline color and increase transparency to 40%. Go to Effect, select Outer Shadow and set the transparency to 40%. Blur to 25 pt and distance to 30 pt. Duplicate the shape 3 times. Now, add your SWOT content, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Group each section. Then go to Animation, select Flying and set the effect to from right. Adjust the bounce end and timing to 1 second. Use the animation painter to apply the same effect to the rest. And increase the delay for a smooth professional reveal. Finally, click on Slideshow and watch your stunning frosted glass SWOT presentation come to life. And there you have it. Frosted glass effect can transform your SWOT presentation from bland to breathtaking, keeping your audience engaged and impressed. It's a simple yet powerful way to elevate your design game. Now, it's your turn. Try this frosted glass effect in your next presentation and let me know how it goes in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more advanced design tricks. See you in the next video.